Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
Headlines. The JITO Sports National Games 2026, proudly hosted by the JITO Chennai Chapter, is currently underway at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai, bringing together athletes from JITO chapters and zones across the country in a grand celebration of sportsmanship, unity, and youth empowerment. The three-day sporting extravaganza, being held from June 20th to 22, 2026, witnesses enthusiastic participation from talented sportspersons competing across a wide range of disciplines, including badminton, table tennis, chess, swimming, athletics, tennis, pickleball, archery, 10-meter rifle shooting, skating, long jump, field games, and several other sporting events.
Hi, we welcome you all for JITO Sports National Games. We do it every 2 years, JITO Sports National, where 80 chapters and 9 zones we have in JITO. They do event in their chapters and zones, and winner come here and participate, and all winners come to play at national games. This is exactly like what Asian Games and Khelo India Khelo happens. So today we have received more than 500 athletes from more than 45 plus chapters and 9 zones across India. This is all players are Jain, and they are from 9 years till 19 years, all the participants. The age limit is above 19 years, we don't allow anyone. We are doing more than 6 plus sports and athletics games. And Chennai has hosted this event, Chennai Chapter. Rest update, Sapan bhai, let me.
Request Narendra Ji Shishimal, our Vice Chairman, please update more.
Happy evening, JITO Sports 2 years over Pandro. And the sports one day across India, the Olympic level style of Pandro. We get it 90 chapters. Like the participate Pandro. The finals out the Chennai. Almost 45 chapter lengthy person below 19 years age have qualified for these finals. 500 to male participants. It is to bring out the talent among the youth. The sports is being done every 2 years to bring out the talent so that we can groom them, so that they can participate in our national level games, Asian level games and Olympic level games. We also adopt few sports persons who do extremely well. Coaching full prepare Pandro. JITO national level organization of Jains, which is across for last 18 years. We do many activities, and sports is one of these activities wherein it's more focused on bringing out the talent among the youth. Thank you.
This national game has games like badminton, lawn tennis, table tennis, swimming, chess, athletics, shot put, long jump, racing, and everything else. And we have produced many kids who are playing at national levels, like badminton under 19 Simran Singhi, who's chosen for Asian Game. She was a participant and player of JITO Sports National. Dak Sumerpur, he's a player. India is running under 19 for 100 meter, 200 meter. He's a Jain player. He was a JITO Sports National player. Kushal Chopra, he's a table tennis player who was a JITO Sports National player. Like Sahil Parak, who is a cricketer playing for Delhi Daredevils. He's a JITO Sports National player. Like that, we have many more players whom we have produced in this last 12 to 14 years journey. And the whole purpose is here the national players who wants a platform of national platform, we give them a platform, and from here we even find sponsors for them, players who are playing at India level and Asia level.
I request Akash Chauhan, our Chief Secretary, to please speak.
Hello, Vanakkam Chennai. This is our privilege. Chennai Chapter Foundation privilege. APAC has given this opportunity to us to hold a national JITO national sport event over here. This is 3 days event. It has started from past 3 days. 20th Tedi, 21st Tedi, 22nd Tedi. Today is the second day. Almost the parties that have participated in all the events, around 500 participants has come all across the country. 45 chapters. They have come all from Mumbai, Pune, Indore, even from the small 2-tier towns also, because this is the platform where JITO gives mileage to all the children. This category is under 13, under 15 and under 19, where the children have the tendency to passion to play, and the passion is JITO is helping out and giving a platform for the national level. So this is very good opportunities where all participants come over here, bonding is done over here, and apart from that, national talented is selected from here. And it is very much thankful that our from Apex, Kamleji Sojadia, Narendraji Shishimalsa, Sipalji Bachawat, all has traveled from all over, from Mumbai, Bangalore, and come over here. It's our privilege and honor that JITO Chennai Chapter Foundation hold this national sport. Thank you.
Request Mr. Sapan sir to please address on behalf of JITO Chennai Sports.
Hello friends, this is the only platform, only national sporting platform for Jains, and we are really thankful for JITO to create such a platform for all the kids of the nation where they can come and they can showcase their talent. And the Apex, the JITO board is going to do their best to give them the opportunities and the sponsors to upscale in the life, and they can nourish their talents into a fine thing where they can represent the country and also in throughout the other international games. And today in this event we totally have 61 gold medals and overall 183 gold total medal tallies. So it is a very fantastic platform, and we have done a very hard work, the entire team. I'm really grateful to the entire Apex and the Chennai board and my Chennai committee who has given such a nice support. We approximately we have 150 plus members who are working behind this entire event. Really thankful to everyone over here. Thank you.
A special regards to our chapter chairman Rajesh Ji Chandan, and below him we have Rajesh Ji Futura Jain, who is the vice chairman, who is handling the sports. I request Rajesh Ji Chandan, Rajesh Ji Futura to please speak on behalf of.
Vanakkam Chennai. This is not just a game. It is again bonding between each and everyone under 19, under 14, and thanks to entire my team who taken and in last 20 days they work day and night. Thank you, Chennai Chapter team, and thank you to Apex, and thank you to PG. We would like to just update one thing. Like we do such grand events, we collaborate with host like Chennai. We charge only 1,000 rupees to every player as a registration fee for 3 days. We make them stay in the properties like Taj. We make them play at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium with all the amenities, logistics, games. We have prizes like more than like 8 to 10,000 rupees per winner prizes for gold, 7,000 rupees for silver, and equivalently we distribute prizes and certificates. So this is a great platform to play. Along with that, we make sure everybody from players, parents, representative who are coming, we host them like it's like you do it at your home, give you a special guest service. And we thank Chennai team, especially Rajesh Bhai Chandan, Rajesh Ji Jain, Sapan Bhai, Ajay Bhai, Rajesh Ji Shah, Akash Bhai, and entire Chennai team, along with my sports team, Aditya, Amol, Shekhar Bhai, and all my zone conveners, zone team who have participated, who have given their heart out, because this event was going to happen in May 2026, but due to Chennai election, we shifted the event in June. Or in span of 20 days, we managed the whole show, and you are witnessing this. And we are thankful to every player. Instead of schools have started, they have made and they have come here to participate and make this history. Thank you so much to Chennai and everybody who's come here, and thank you to Apex team for blessing sports. And this time, sports has done more than 900 events across in span of 18 months, and Chennai is also leading in sports and doing a lot of our sports events. So thank you to each and every player.
Thanks to press, you are open for questions.
New games you added, sir?
We've been trying all new games which are played in National Olympiad. We are trying to put that into the best of the qualifiers.
Once it plays to conduct it, any plans to come every year, sir?
Any plans?
No, this is a game for 2 years. We have already introduced pickleball. We had done pickleball national tournament a year ago. We have done squash. Like we are doing a lot of other events, but not everything is not happening in this particularly 3 days. So in span of 2 years term we have. So we distribute in every quarterly, and we are doing all events.
Thank you, sir. In Sadharma, every state will be doing it, and every 2 years we'll be doing one national. State every year we are doing it. Thank you, sir.